Really? I'm gonna turn on the light now. That was the right light, right?
Yeah.
That's cool. Yeah, for once. Oh my god. Yeah, right? Oh, my camera's all wet now.
Shade.
I'm gonna stand out in it. I'm wearing nothing but a shirt and boxers, and I'm gonna stand out in this thing. Feels good. Oh, it feels good to have some rain finally. Look at the ground. I love that. Ooh, it's windy. I hope we get like a hurricane. Like, I hope a hurricane somehow finds its way up to Alaska. That'd be awesome. Okay, what just happened? Oh, okay, I can still hear it, kind of. Good. I thought it stopped. I was about to be like, that was only 5 minutes. Good night, everybody. It's 3 in the morning. I'm going to bed. I'll see you in the jump cut. Okay, so today was kind of a success, kind of a fail. I did wake up around 10 this morning, but I went back to sleep. But I was awake enough to long enough to turn off all my alarms, because I had like I think 7 alarms put on my iPod. So yeah, I had 7 alarms on my iPod. And I was waking long enough to turn them all off. I think I got up like once, and then I just went back to bed, and it's like 1:10 is the time that I woke up today, so at least I'm not waking up at like 5, but I would rather wake up before noon, because I'm not going to be able to go to sleep. But I think I might go on a bike ride tonight again, just to be tired. This is what my alarm sounds like too, so it always wakes me up. Oh, dang it. It always scares the crap out of me. It scares me awake. Yes! Alright, let's try these on.
Get 2 of these pens. You can get one like that and like this, because they're only $35. These black ones, black and silver. It's kind of cool. Red or blue, whatever laces you want in those.
I'm gonna try this one on.
Huh?
I'm gonna try this one on.
How's that one?
Oh, the wood strong ones. It's roomy. I have a lot of room to move my foot up and down.
But if you get this, you can get this one and a pair of white ones. You get 2 pairs of shoes.
That's cool.
Because those ones are $70 by themselves.
These are 9.5s?
Yeah.
My toe is right here.
Yeah.
These can't be 9.5s, right? Why do I fit them?
Huh?
Why do I fit them? Because my toe's right here.
What are they in this one? Is your toe right there on that one too?
My toe is right about here.
Where? The tip of it right about here?
Yeah.
Do you still have room in there to grow?
Probably
Which one's
a little
looser?
bit. Which one? What do you mean?
Which one, does the 9.5 feel like you got more room in it or less room?
It feels about the same. Hang on. We're gonna have to change. We're gonna do something about these laces, though.
Huh?
We're gonna do something about these laces because they're short. Just keep them like.
Trying to tighten them up.
No.
Oh, you're pulling them out.
Yeah, I'm putting them like this.
Oh, well, if you pull those tight, you'll have more room.
What are you talking about?
They're loose. If you go like this and tighten them all up, then you have more
Well, true.
lace to tie. Oops.
Oh yeah. Oops.
You can relace that one back over there where it belongs.
I like these ones.
Huh?
So I like the black and yellow ones. These ones are, I don't know. Walk test now. Can you tell if it's slipping at all?
You're the one that has to tell that. Does your foot feel like it's coming out whenever you're walking?
Not much.
Huh?
Not much. Can't do that with those. Get these. So yeah, I got new shoes. I got the black and yellow ones because they look really nice and they're very, very comfortable. They bend a lot too. Like I stepped on the stair right here and I could feel the stair up on my shoe or up on my foot. And they're Live Strong, so I'm supporting cancer. We're gonna run RC cars. You hear it? Don't start it. Yeah, one fell out. Huh? Had to flip it over. Oh, did another one fall out or was that a rock? Huh?
Just a rock.
Yeah. Gross. No. So it's going, what, like 50, 55? Doing 50 and a 15. Ooh, it's starting to rain.
See how far I can go down the road.
It's still going to get probably about 30 miles an hour, you think? That is the battery dying. It sounds like an airplane. Don't hit me. Now we can drive it in the house. We can't scare the dogs though. Drive it up the curb. Do a wheelie.
No power.
Oh, we can't do it. Yeah, that's dead.
Go charge it.
Alright guys, I'm gonna go to bed. It is 2:11 in the morning right now, and yeah, the sun is about to set. It's like just about to set, but it's raining again, and I'm just gonna go to bed. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a great one.